Hi, in this video, we will download and install IntelliJ in our Windows system. Just go to the Google and type IntelliJ. After that, you need to click downloads. So basically, they have two versions. First is Ultimate and second one is Community. So Ultimate have some more features and it is commercial. So it have some features like JavaScript and all some special features. So if you want to use Ultimate, you can use for 30 days for free trial, but after that it may be some cost. So I'm just using the community version. Yeah, after the download you need to open. Yeah, after that you need to next and just mention the path. Right now it is by default it is choosing default path. Next, and you need to choose which operating system you are using currently. So 64, project, Java. So in the previous section we have understand how we can understand we can check the which operating system you are using, 64 or 32 bit. After that, run IDE and finish. Yes, confirm. So basically it is showing which theme you are using, dark or light. Next, plugins. If you want some additional plugins or anything, you can download it. Yeah. So after the installation, you need to some change in the configuration like structure related thing. So basically you need to set the SDK. So I have already installed the Java JDK version 1.8. So you need to just pick and apply. That's all. So you can create any project like Java project or Maven or Spring Hibernate, any project that you want to create. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.